this is the finished look of this unit, and how are we liking it? This color is chef's kiss. Like, it is so gorgeous. The camera doesn't do it justice, honestly. Now let's get into the specs of this unit. So today I am wearing a wig from Amazon, and this is from the company Arabella. Now originally this wig was a blonde wig. It was a 613 lace front wig. I just wanted to dye it. Like, I've been wanting like a nice red burgundy-ish wig, and I'm so glad I was able to do this wig because it literally eats down. I don't think I've ever dyed a blonde wig before, so this was the first time. And I will say it was a process. Pretty much I had to dye this wig twice. I had multiple different types of reds that I was doing. And the first time, like, I did the watercolor method, and the first time, like, it got dark, but it wasn't dark enough. So some of the hair wasn't dyeing like with the other hair. As you can see, like, you can see some light patches of red. That's the part that wasn't really dyeing. And I didn't know why. It wasn't dyeing with the rest of the hair, and the rest of the hair, it looks black, but it's actually just like a really dark burgundy. And that's what I was going for, but I don't know why the rest of the hair did not take the color. So I had to do it again. And when I did it again, I did it with the color Burgundy Wine. I did a second batch of the watercolor, and I love how it turned out. It did not dye the lace at all. Everything is still perfect how it came, and I just love how the color came out. Like, I can't rave enough about the color. Let's get into specs about this unit. So like I told you guys, this is a wig from Amazon, and it's from the company Arabella. This unit is a 613 lace wig. Now with the parting space, it's a 5x6, so 5 in the front and then 6 going back. This wig is a glueless wig, so you don't need to put any hairsprays, no glues or anything like that, but if you want like the extra security, you can put that. This wig is also 280% density. It is really thick, and I really do like that. Like, when I was blow drying it, I just felt like it felt like natural hair being blow dried, and I really do like that because it reminds me of my hair when I blow dry it. Now this wig also came pre-plucked, pre-bleached, and pre-cut, so I didn't really have to do much. I did go in the front to match my hairline like I always do with my wigs. I didn't really have to do much to get it to look like more natural because it already looked natural the way it was, but I just wanted it to fit my hairline. Now this wig is 16 inches, and I feel like this is like the perfect length for me because sometimes I get tired of long hair and I don't want to do all the extraness with straightening it, and this wig is just perfect. Now, as you can see, this wig is 100% virgin human hair, so it is able to be dyed, as you can see, but just keep in mind that you might have to dye it twice. Overall, this is a very good unit. I will say it does shed a little bit, as do all wigs. I think all wigs shed, so that's not really an issue, but when I put my fingers through it, nothing comes out, so that's really good as well. Now this unit does take heat very well also. I think I had my flat iron up to 390 degrees Fahrenheit, so it does take heat pretty well. But yeah, let me know in the comments what you guys like of this wig. If you love it, hate it, let me know. I've been gone for a little bit, and I do apologize for that. I just had to take some time off from doing wigs because when it's summertime, I really honestly I don't feel like wearing wigs. But fall is coming, so I am back and better. And I have so much content for you guys in regards to wigs and everything like that, so look out for it. I'm also going to be linking this unit down below for you in my description box, so if you're interested, it'll be down there. Make sure you tune into my next video because I am going to be styling this unit as well. As always, thank you so much for tuning in. If you're not a subscriber, make sure you do subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video.